Hey coder, let's break it down. Hash table in JavaScript. A powerful way to store our key values pairs fast. A hash table map keys to value using hash function. It's super fast for lookup, intersection, and delete because it's efficient index mapping. So let's create hash map class and open our VS Code. We already prepared it for you. So what do we have? We have hash table and we have constructor that create new arrays with size. After, let's write hash function. This will convert key into index in our table. So here you are. We just create simple hashing function that will create long string like 31 length. Now let's add set method that will set our new data with the key and with the value. And will push it to our array that we create in constructor. To retrieve a value, we use get method. It hashes the key and returns the value stored in corresponding index. So in argument we see key, it will take our indexes from hashes and iterate through our table and return or return undefined if it does not exist. To remove key value pair, we will use method delete. So basically what it does, it just check our hash, and if it's already in our table, we just filter it and rewrite our table. To check if it exists, we can use hash method has method that will return true if we find it in our table structure or not. Quite simple. So let's test it. Firstly, we will create a new variable that will save our hash table. We'll call it save table. We have set method that we just write and set key and value, name, alias, age, 25. And we'll check if it exists in our hash table or not. So let's try. So what do we have? We save name, alias, and alias, and when we get it, we get alias. We have ages, like true, and after delete ages, it returns false. So hash table works fine. So thank you, follow us.